Hey folks, I'm back with another video, obviously. This time it's on a good thing I bought for my bus. Very good thing. It's cool as heck. Let me show you what I got here. It's just going to be a short video. Alright. Right down here, this thing right here. Scan gauge. Let me turn on the ignition and see if we got power to it. Probably not. Probably not. Oh, there we go. Right there. Alright, so you see all those different gauges, plus you have several others. Depending on which vehicle it's installed in, you'll have more gauges to choose from. And let me show you how it plugs in. See if I can get down there and show you good enough. See right there. Right there. That's where it plugs into. I think it's a 9-pin round plug. Well, it's obviously round. But you plug that into there, and it's basically just reads your speed, your RPMs, water temperature, and like I said, depending on what vehicle you put it on, how advanced it is, it may give you more gauges. But I love this thing. I used to have to crane my head, my neck up over the dash to see my speed and my RPMs. With that, it just sits right there on the front of the dash, and it's got a backlight to it, and that's where I get my information from now. Anyhow, I'll have a link in the description to it. I recommend it. It's helped me out quite a bit. I'm short though, so craning my neck over the dash was because I was short. But somebody taller may not need it. It's just nice to have those 4 gauges or whatever, 3 gauges, quick and easy access. Anyhow, that's it for this video, and thanks for watching again.